Oil change on a Honda 2011 Phantom 750cc. 17-inch wrench. 17. And here's the bolt for it. Right here. This one right here. See it on the bottom. This one right here. So just take your 17-inch. It's about to leak. Take your pan. Underneath. Also, the filter is right here. So we just drained the oil. Right now, it's still draining. And the filter, the oil filter, is right here. Right behind it. This right here. You can unscrew it with your hand if you want. Or you can take an oil filter wrench and do it. Now that the filter, here's the new filter installed. Also the nut for the oil is also installed in. Again, it's a 17. Filter might give you small problems. Now we just need to open the oil stick from the top and fill it with oil. Usually takes 2.7 liters or quarts. Oil I'm using is number 110W40. I did my research and it's okay to use it. I read it online and on certain threads online. Alright, so I'm about to pour the oil in. I have this funnel I bought from O'Reilly's. I think it was $1.80 or something. So you just put it in there, make sure it's good, secured, and then you start pouring your oil. That's it. 2.7 quarts of it. And then you start the motorcycle and check for leaks. Very important.